New Balance 1906W Black Cement and Castlerock is set to release in fall 2025, extending the brand's growing 1906 series. Priced at $155, it blends lifestyle appeal with performance heritage, reflecting New Balance's commitment to innovation. The sneaker features Fantomfit technology, a design element that originated in 2018 for a U.S. Department of Defense sneaker, now adapted for everyday wear. A stealth-inspired mesh upper in black cement pairs with a gradient Castlerock overlay, offering a balance of style and subtle structure. Its lightweight cage, once focused on foot containment, now serves a primarily aesthetic purpose, highlighting the model's evolution from utility to fashion. With only limited colorways released so far, this edition adds versatility and broadens the collection. Expect the 1906W to drop at New Balance's official site and select retailers, where it will stand out as both a functional and fashionable staple.